Namaste the great Indians, myself Sukesh VS, Art and Craft teacher of TGS Raipur. I hope all of you safe at your home, please be safe. So today I am going to tell you the basic elements of visual art. I hope all of you know the term visual art. I hope all of you understood the term visual art. In my previous video, I already explained that thing. So what is the basic elements of visual art? That is lines and shapes. So what is line? In visual art, the term line is so simple. It starts with one point and ends with another one. It means it's a connection or space between 2 points. So what is line? It's a connection or space between 2 points. It's called line. Okay. So there are many more lines, many kinds of lines, such as strong and smooth, short and long, thick and thin, vertical and horizontal, diagonal, curve, spiral, wavy, and etc. Many more lines are there. So lines we are used to create shapes, patterns, textures, space, movement, and line also we are used to create some optical illusions in such kind of designs also. Also lines allows an artist to demonstrate the delicacy or force in his or her artworks. Okay, so line is so important in our visual art as per our art and craft thing. Okay, in our arts, line is so important because without line in our art we can't do anything. Okay, so these are about lines. So let me demonstrate some lines for you. Let's start with straight lines. Okay, these are the straight line. We can do any kind of straight lines. Okay, and straight lines we are commonly used in two ways that you know. This is the vertical lines, these are the horizontal lines. Okay, and next will come short and long lines that you know. This is the short line and this is the long line. Okay, this is shorter than this line, so this is short line, this is long line. Okay, next will come diagonal lines. Diagonal lines, it means corner to corner, like this is a diagonal line, this is other diagonal line. Okay, this corner to this corner and this corner to this corner. Okay, this is called diagonal line. I just putting the arrow for understanding purpose. Okay, this is diagonal line. Okay, you can also add many more diagonal line like that. Okay, these called are diagonal lines. Okay, next will come strong and smooth lines. This is strong line, this is called smooth line. You can understanding by see this is a strong, very strong line, this is a smooth line, slightly blur one. Okay, and next is thick and thin line. This is thick line, you can see the thickness. This is thin line. Okay, you can see the thin, you can feel it like it's a thick line and this is thin line. Next we will come a curve line. This is a curve, this is a curve, this is a curve. You can do any kind of curve, and this curve line we can arrange it accordingly. It will become a curly line or wave line. Let's see how to. This is 1, 2, see, it will become. This is a stage for beginners, and the exact form is come like that, wave and curvy. Okay, wave, curve, curly. We can use the same line like that. Okay, after that it will come zigzag line, something like that, zigzag line. And next will come spiral line. Spiral, it means spring kind of thing. Okay, like this is the spiral line. Okay, so these are the lines which I mentioned you before: straight lines, vertical line, horizontal line, short line, long line, thick line, thin line, strong line, smooth lines, diagonal lines, curved lines, curly lines,
wavy lines, curly and wavy, we can use the same thing. And this is the zigzag line, this is the spiral line. Okay.
Our next topic is shape. What is a shape? In our visual art, the term shape is also so simple as line. The external form or outline of something or someone is called shape. So what is shape? The external form or the outline of something or someone is called shape. Okay. According to visual art, especially in our art and craft, especially in visual art, for painting and drawing, shapes are created by lines. Okay. There are many kinds of shapes because shapes are infinite. Infinite, it means endless. In our visual art, we are using the basic shapes for the drawing purpose only. Okay. In our visual art, it means for the arts, for the art and craft, for the arts, for the drawing and painting. Okay. For the drawing and painting purpose, we are using for these four shapes only. So which are these four shapes? Rectangle, circle, triangle and cylinder shape. In this shape, rectangle, circle, triangle is the 2D form of the shape and the cylinder is the 3D form of the shape. So what is 2D form and what is 3D form? I will demonstrate it for you later. Okay. So I hope all of you understood about shape.
So let me demonstrate some basic shape for you. We will start with rectangle. This is a rectangle and this way is also a rectangle. Okay. Rectangle, it means the any two side it will be lengther than a square. Okay. By using rectangle in our arts, we can use rectangle as a square, just like a square. Okay. Just like the cube. Cube, it means the four side will be equal. Okay. We can convert it in this way also, but this is the basic shape we are using in arts. Okay. So this is the basic shape we are using in art. This also in angle will be different according to our purpose. Okay. So this is the rectangle and we will start we will go for next one, circle. So we can also use circle as a oval shape. Okay. We can use many kind of circle as per our need. We can make it change. We can also use as semicircle. Okay. It according to our use we can make the changes. So commonly we are using the circle and oval shape. Okay. So next is triangle shape. What is a triangle shape? You know, this is the triangle shape. We can use many kind of triangle shape according to our use. As I told you, these all are triangle shape, and we can also use the shape triangle shape like a pyramid shape. Pyramid shape, it's a 3D form of the triangle. Okay, like this. Okay, and we can also use the shape cylinder. I told you these things are 2D shape and cylinder is the 3D shape. So I will show you how. Cylinder shape, it means two parallel lines, one curved lines and one oval. This is the cylinder shape. Okay. So you can also see the three-dimensional view in this picture. Okay. This is the 2D form. You can see it's just the lines we are creating the shape. Okay. But in this one, in triangle, you can see this triangle, it seems like a pyramid. It's like a 3D form. The same thing we are using this one. Okay. So this is the cylinder shape. So we are using cylinder shape. It's a basic shape in arts. So this is the form, a oval shape and two parallel line and one curve. It's called cylinder shape. Okay. So this is the 3D form. I will write it for you. 2D, 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 but this is the 3D form. Okay, so in circle, what we use for the 3D form? In circle, we are using 3D form by adding these lines. See, in this adding this curve, it with the circle becomes a spiral, a ball kind of shape. It will seems like 3D shape. In this rectangle, we can also make it 3D form like that, and extruding two shape like that, this shape like that. See, this is a 3D form. See, this is simple. So here I am giving some assignments for you as per our topic. So this is the first assignment about lines. So just take 2-3 sheets and try to draw these things about lines as I show you before. And also you can try, like, take a paper and make the equal size, equal parts, and go for vertical line, horizontal line, and the diagonal lines. You can draw the same way. You can add many kind of lines as I told, as I show you before. You can add that thing. And this is for your next assignment about shapes. So just take a sheet and paper and just draw these shapes. And this is the next one. Take the paper and draw the same shape in the single paper. But just remember, while you drawing, the space between the shapes, it will be equal. Please maintain the shape just in the according to your shape, because you are taking the which one you are taking the shape for the drawing purpose. So here in this page I am taking the rectangle shape. So keep the rectangle shape and keep it, just try to draw many kind of rectangle shape according to your wish. And this is the same thing. I am arranging the circle. Okay, you can add these things, and you can also draw many kind of shape in a single sheet. Okay, so these are the assignments. Do it.
I hope all of you understood about today's topic. What is line and shape? What is the importance of line and shape in our art and craft, in our visual art? What's the different kinds of art, lines and shapes we are using? Okay, so I have already given some assignments to you, so please try to do that, and please be safe, please be with your family, and thank you.